want to talk about a topic that is affecting democracies in many parts of the world, and that is political polarization. Polarization and the state of democracy have become more important inflation than immigration. Our beliefs reflect not only, or maybe not so much, the information that we receive and we process, but the social context in which these beliefs are formed. When a specific conflict is made more salient, we tend to become more extreme in our views. Rhetoric on Twitter becomes more polarized before the elections. Politicians may have an opportunistic motive to polarize the electorate. Social media allow much better targeting opportunities of voters. When I was growing up, all my friends, all my relatives were voting communist. Now, these same people are all voting Le Pen. That conflict salience fuels voters' extremism, and social media diffusion is playing a role in the rise of polarization. These better targeting opportunities also reinforces the incentives of politicians to diverge and to engage in this polarizing propaganda. So that's the sense in which these two sides, demand and supply, may be joined together, and social media may have had these effects.